What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Stan of SJ Square Photography, bringing you back another video today. Now, today's video is going to be all about Lightroom Mobile. Yes, this is about Lightroom Mobile. As you know, if you follow me on this channel, you know I don't do a lot of work on Lightroom Classic. All my work is done on Lightroom Mobile. And I want to tell you about this little feature that's been around since probably about a year ago that's called Lightroom Community. I'm gonna call it that. I don't know the official name of it, but I'm gonna call it the Lightroom Community. And what the Lightroom Community is pretty much like IG before the Reels. It's just nothing about photos, and I really think this community is really great for photographers like me and other people out there that's just really getting tired of just IG, and you just have to, and they're just pushing Reels, and you're really not able to. It's not a photo community like it was in the beginning. So this Lightroom community is absolutely a photo community that's for photographers, and it's really, really awesome. And they got really cool features on there that I think that you will really, really enjoy. So I just want to go ahead and put this video out because it's not something that gets really, really heavily advertised, and I don't think a lot of people know about it, especially if you're already paying for the subscription. You already have this anyway. It's free. So what I'm gonna do is just, I'm gonna go ahead and get right into it and show you what it is, and I'm gonna show you how to upload into it and just kind of go from the broad basis from there. So let's just go ahead and jump right into my iPad right now. Now, as you can see, I'm just on a little photo right now of Jenny. I've seen this, I've done the video, y'all seen this before, hopefully. Now, what the Lightroom community is absolutely, if you look at the top left-hand corner, it's this little web-based thing that's looks like a web right here. You click on it, and this is the Lightroom community. And as you comes up, you see all these different type of photos, and they got all these different type of sections in there: daily inspire, feature, trending, get inspired, all these different things. These are just about other people, other photographers in the Lightroom community that already paid for Lightroom, just went ahead and just sharing their work. And that's all it is. Other photographers sharing their work. Now, I want to show you how to get to the profile. I'm going to hit on your little profile button there. And this is the profile. So it's just pretty much set up just like IG or any other social media thing. It shows you all the edit that you uploaded to this Lightroom community. As you can see, I've done a lot. Like I said, I've been using it ever since they came out with it. I think this is really awesome. Our community, honestly. And as you can see, if I go slowly, you can really see it's a lot of engagement into this as well. Like, you get a lot of engagement in this community as well, which I really enjoy. I think one of my photos almost got 2,000 likes. Oh yeah, this one right here. This photo right here has almost 2,000 likes. And like I said, it's not even been out for a year yet, maybe, so don't quote me on that, guys. But I really do enjoy this. I really enjoy it. And the thing that what makes this really awesome, I'm going to show you guys real quick, is when you go on the photo, let's just click on this photo right here. And then what it does is shows you real-time edits, how the edits really affect your photos in real time. So if I hit this tap or hit the center, as you can see, it's going to start playing. It takes you from the raw, and it shows you, if you look on the right-hand side and it keeps going down, it shows you what each of those sections are doing to your photos. And that's really awesome. It's just doing an autoplay. But the whole good thing about this is if it's going a little bit too fast for you, it will autoplay until you get finished doing it. But if you really want to just stop it and do it yourself, you can do that. It's easy. You come back up here, you pause it, and you can literally just hit each one of these sections, the highlights, the whites, and it will show you exactly what it's doing to that photo at that time. And I think that's really crucial and really awesome, a really good feature for photographers that just want a community that's all about photography. And this is also a really good learning curve for people too. Like you said, you can just really go in here and just do it all individual, or you can hit the play button and it will just show you all in one. Now, what I want to do right now, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to get your photo into this community. And it's absolutely really easy, guys. So I'm gonna go back to where all my photos at. As you see, I'm back in the section with Jenny. And what I do is I don't ever say, well, here's the thing. If you do your edits like I do, like in Lightroom, and then you go to Photoshop to kind of finish it off, and then you put it back in Lightroom, you cannot put those edits, the final edits that you did in Lightroom, because they're not gonna show anything. So what you have to do is you have to use the photos that you did all the edits in. And that's, as you can see here, like I do a final, and then I have just like the basic things where I did all my edits are. So this is just the basic one. I'm gonna go ahead and pick this photo right here with Jenny. And all you do is hit the share button at the top. And then what I'm gonna do is, you see where it says share to discover? I'm gonna go ahead and hit that button. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a title. Let's just go ahead and call this Jenny from the block. I know that's really cliche. Let's just go ahead, and then what I put right here is, I put follow me on social media for the final photo. And you're gonna see why I do that here in a second. Then you go here, you put the subject matter. Let's see here, let's go. It looks kind of urban to me. We know this is looks kind of fashionable also. And we know this is a person, so let's go to people. And here's the thing right here. Now you can also just go ahead and hit enable to save as a preset. So when you put it up there, people will be able to, if they go to it, they have a little download button where they be able to save your edits as a preset in their own community of Lightroom, which is also another awesome feature that's really, really awesome. That, especially if you're like, you don't understand, guys. When I learned about this, I'm like, man, this is huge for photographers. I don't understand why a lot of people ain't using it. They just don't know about it because they ain't advertised like that. But I normally don't even hit the save as preset. So I always take that off. And then what I normally do is the allow the remix is really, really cool. All that is just, it gives the opportunity for other photographers to just edit your photos. You'll be able to see it. I'm gonna show you and go into that section here in a little bit. So all you gotta do is just hit the okay button. And you see right there, submitting to your edits. I'll go ahead and get that a while there. And then bam, you get a live link. You can copy this, you can send it to your friends, put it on IG, whatever the case may be, and bam, it is now live. And now people is gonna be able to go in there, like it, and remix your photo. Now let's just go back to this remix thing. Now the remix thing is really, really cool. This is what really, I think this came out maybe a month or two ago. And this is what really like, oh man, this is just an awesome, awesome feature. So let's just go to, let's go to this mail right here. As you can see right here at the very top right hand, I'm going to do this little shake because I don't have my finger thing cut on. That's where all the people did their own edits and they submitted to me so I could be able to check them out. Now that's really, really awesome, especially you have a nice community like I kind of do on Lightroom Community. I got a nice little following, and you can see I got a lot of people to edit those photos so far. So you can really just go through it and tap it, and it does the same exact thing. You hit that and it's going to do a play-by-play just as it do with any other photo that you put in when you look at it. And it will show you how they edit the photo. Now, what's also another cute feature about this is that you can hit this little I button at the top, and usually they will have like a little message. As you can see, she says you're just playing around, but they can give you an idea about why the reason they went ahead and edited the photo the way they did. So that's pretty awesome too. And like I said, you'll be able to like it, so you show them that you know, they go back on the end that you like the photo, or what the case may be. So I thought that's pretty awesome as well. So like now I'm gonna tell you what the reason why I put on in my description, follow me on social media, because it's just set up just like IG, guys. As you can see right here, I got edits, I got remix. Of course, like I just told you, explain to you about remixes. I was able to do a remix on this other photo right here. I was able to share, do what I gotta do. The thing about when you do remixes and you do share that, it automatically enables the edit, so they'll be able to download it as a preset, because you don't have that option to turn it on or turn it off when you put, you know, when I show you when you upload your own photo into your own feed. So therefore, it's about. Now here's the thing: the reason why I put follow me for final edits, because I got all my social media links up there. They're all clickable links. So when you click on it, I'm going to click on my YouTube. It takes me straight to my YouTube channel. So that's the reason why. That's the reason why I put on there, follow me on my social media for the final photo. And I let them know this ain't the final photo, because as you know, we always do extra stuff, especially if you're really heavy retoucher, you do the final reskin retouching. So that's why I always put that there in my thing. So it gives them a chance to, like I said, if you click on my IG, it's gonna take me straight to my IG. So it just gives them a chance to follow me on my other social media platforms. And of course, the rest of it self-explanatory, followings and followers and the likes. So I think this is a really, really very low key, not really publicized feature that Lightroom has had, especially if you're a photographer and you're just tired of IG just always them just pushing reels down your throat. I think if you want to come over here to the Lightroom community, I think you'll be a whole lot more pleasant and really pleased with this community and that they have on here. So like I said, if you want to follow me, there's going to be Stan Shelton on there. If you want to look me up, just look up Stan Shelton. Like I said, a lot of my photos are really on the top feature. Like I said, so you'll be able to find me pretty easily on there. So like I said, just go ahead and enjoy it. And if you do like it, man, comment down below and tell me how much you enjoy it after using it for a while. But anyway, if you like my work, please consider yourself subscribing to my channel. That will be absolutely helpful for me. Don't forget to hit a like, and please comment down below, like I said, to tell me what you really think about this whole community, especially if you have to use about it, or if you already knew about it. Tell me the reason why you haven't been using it. But anyway, until the next video, guys, peace.